Hi, friends. Welcome back for your last part of your language lesson. All right, you will need your I dictionary page from your envelope, a regular pencil, and your crayons. All right, let's look at the capital I and the lowercase I. Do they look the same, similar, or different? Yes, they look different. The capital I is a tall letter, and the lowercase I is a short letter. They look similar because they both have straight lines, but that's the only thing that is the same. Let's look at the capital I. The capital I goes from the top line to the base line. Pick it up, cross it over on the top, and cross it over on the bottom. The lowercase I is a short letter. Goes from the dotted line to the base line. Pick it up. Now we are going to draw an igloo. Like I said before, igloos are made out of ice and snow, but white doesn't show up on white paper. So we're going to use a light blue, just like the igloo that's over here. Please draw, with your blue, please draw a rainbow line under your eye. On this side, please draw a line coming out and a line coming down. And then you're going to take this line and you're going to pull it all the way across. And if your lines don't connect, please connect them down here. Got it? Take a line starting here and pull it across to the other side. Leave a space and make another line going across from one side of your igloo to the next. And I have space for one more. I'm going to go all the way across. Now, I'm going to take a line here and I'm going to go from the top to the bottom. What I'm making is ice blocks. Leave a space, go from the top to the bottom. And another one from the top to the bottom. Now I have an igloo. And I don't want it to just kind of float, so I'm going to just make some little snow under there. Just a little line. All right, igloo. Now we need to label our igloo. How many syllables in the word igloo? Igloo. 2. Igloo. Ig is our first syllable, and we know igloo begins with the sound I. So we have I, g, I. Hold your paper with your helper hand. I. Dotted line to the baseline. Pick it up. I, g. You have not learned g yet, so just do your best. Ig, loo. Ooh. Ooh, we know that sound. Ooh. Top line to the baseline. Ooh. Ooh. And when you hear ooh, look at my mouth. Ooh. When you hear that, sometimes it's spelled with 2 O's. Usually it's spelled with 2 O's. There's another way to spell ooh that we'll learn at another time. Now we have spelled the word igloo. Igloo. Great job. The next picture we're going to draw is an insect. Now, you can choose any color that you have seen an insect be outside. like green or brown. I think I'm going to use brown. Okay, so insects have 3 body parts. They have a head, so I'm going to make a small circle for the head. They have an abdomen, which is their middle section. So I'm going to make kind of a longer circle called an oval. Head, abdomen, and then they have one more, a thorax on the back. Insects have 3 body parts, and they have 6 legs. Now, insects have 6 legs. They have the same number of legs on both sides. So on this side, I'm going to make 3 legs. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. And then on the other side, I'm going to make 3 more. 1, 2, 3. So now I know that insects have 3 parts and 3 legs on one side, 3 legs on the other side for a total of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They also have antennas. They're kind of like feelers on their head. Now you can lightly color in your insect. Head, thorax, abdomen, abdomen. Head, thorax, abdomen, abdomen. Insects have 3 body parts and 6 legs. Head, thorax, abdomen, abdomen. All right, now I'm going to write the word insect. How many syllables in insect? Insect. First syllable is in. I, n. Ready? I. Dotted line to the baseline. Pick it up. I. N. I know you haven't had this letter yet, so do your best. Down, up, and around. Insect. S, e, k, t. It's 4 letters. S, e, k, t. Insect. Insect. We have I, igloo, and insect. Phew, friends, it's been a big week in language. You learned how to hold your pencil. You learned all about the lines on a handwriting paper. And you learned the letter names and sounds for 3 letters this week. O, T, and I. You should feel amazing. And I can't wait until next week when we learn 3 new letters and sounds. Please make sure all of your letters and your scavenger hunts are back in your baggie, in your box. Please make sure your dictionary page gets put into your envelope. And that will be returned on Friday. Make sure your pencil goes back in your bag and then into your box, and your crayons are closed up, and all of your crayons are in there, and they get put into your supply box so that they are ready for next week. All right, friends, I hope you had a fabulous week this week, and I cannot wait to see you next week. Have a great weekend. Thank you.